Hello, I'm Orange County Mayor Jerry Demings. I'm thrilled to welcome FABTECH 2024 to the Orange County Convention Center. As one of North America's largest and most prestigious manufacturing events, I commend FABTECH for offering manufacturers access to advanced manufacturing technologies and skills training to compete in today's global marketplace. We're proud to host FABTECH in Orange County for the first time, putting a spotlight on the incredible innovation and talent we have right here in the Sunshine State. We look forward to you coming back again. The manufacturing sector is one of the industries flourishing in Florida and plays a crucial role in our local economy. While you are here, I hope you will take the time to discover our unbelievably real destination, featuring exciting new dining options, entertainment amenities, sports, and arts and culture for all to enjoy. We look forward to welcoming FABTECH's 35,000 exhibitors and attendees from around the world for a week filled with opportunities for learning, networking, and shaping the future of manufacturing. On behalf of the more than 1.5 million people who call Orange County home, thank you for choosing the Center of Hospitality as your event destination. See you soon.